Our Projecta Smart Relays will change the way you manage connected devices on your vehicle. Our multi-channel and single-channel relays have a lot of the same cool features. However, the multi-channel relays have the unique ability to control 4 devices up to 10 amps at 12 volt only. Additional light control, including dimming and dual color, as well as flash patterns and SOS functions. Conditional switching means they essentially act as a 3-way rocker switch. Think winch controls or dual color lighting. Each output is fused via replaceable blade fuses. But where the multi-channel really shines is in the time and cost-saving department. They're more cost-effective, similar to the price of a 4-way switch panel, but only consuming 1 LIN port. So you can have up to 15 times 4 inputs per 2-inch smart display. This is a switch panel, a fuse box, and a bus bar all in one. You could say 1 unit to control them all, with less wiring, less components, and less things to go wrong. And everything can be controlled from your Projecta 2-inch smart display, your phone app, or Apple CarPlay and Android Auto.